YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to install cloud in terminal. So guys, if you want to set up your cloud code in the terminal, so guys, it is very easy. For this guys, first of all you simply open your terminal. Okay, after open, here you see that I am under a1 command. So this is the so guys, here you see that the installing the cloud native build it start. It will take few minutes, okay, but the installation is so guys, here you see that the installation is begin. So guys, now here you see the cloud code successfully installed and installation complete, and it show you that the next command is cloud double dash help. But before we running any cloud command, first we verify the version. For this, simply you type cloud space double dash version. So it's show the version of the cloud, and if it shows the version properly, so it's mean that you are successfully install the cloud in your macbook. Okay, macbook terminal. After now guys, here you see that I am entered the command name cloud. Okay, here it asks me to choose the terminal looks, so I am simply choose the light and hit enter. Okay, now it asks you how you log in. So you, if you have the account, so you use the cloud with subscription and entropy console account. So this is the way that you can install your cloud in the terminal. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.